Nice hotel. Worth it. I only booked a day in this hotel and I'm happy with it. This hotel is really value for your money. Kindly people, thanks for good experience, but it just one night, someday I'll back if I go to Korea. Imrosa from Indonesia. Exceptional. The room is spacious enough that was just perfect for my trip. There's a convenience store right around the corner, which made late night snacks a breeze. The bus stop is just a short walk away, so getting around was easy peasy. And it's only about a 10-minute drive to Incheon Airport, which was a major win for my travel schedule. Overall, a great spot if you're looking for convenience and comfort. Clean, great area. I love that the bed was equipped with heater. They even prepared bathrobe, which is really convenient. The room is spacious and the TV program is a lot. It is worth time and money. Location is perfect for last-minute shopping spree. I would go again whenever I stay in Incheon for my next flight. Great place, great area. The hotel. We love this hotel. It was very clean. The staff were very attentive to our needs and this place is close to many dining areas. The airport is just a short train ride away. The location is very convenient, especially for early morning flights. Exceptional. The receptionist is very helpful in getting local cab for us when our flight was in early morning and RX is not in operation. Warm welcome by him as well. Very convenient for early flight to Incheon Airport. Located close to Onseo all-stop train station, approx 300 meters walking distance. Room very comfortable. I asked the receptionist to do tachi booking as I am leaving at 4 a.m. to airport the next morning, so he said they will assist on the next morning. Went down at 4 a.m. next day but no one is at the lobby. Rolling on the floor laughing emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, but easily get the taxi using the Kakao T apps. Worth it, thumbs up emoji, good, really like it.